Bro, they popped a firework, blew up the car, and the officer. Officer, you okay? It popped on the officer. Officer, you okay? We'll help you. Radio it in, officer. Officer down, you guys. You okay, officer? You should push button. Hey, hey. You guys, cover the cop. Cover the cop at least. Cover the cop. She's not okay. It blew up in her face, bro. It's right there.
Give her some space. Give her some space. Do you need water?
Bro,
You need water?
Officer down in front of the Walgreens. Let her relax. Just cover her around there so no more shit happens. What up, Yazin?
Little as hell, but get up, man. Come on.
Officer! Right here!
You're freaking out.
Yo. You okay?
Brady Ward got the cop, you guys.